Introducing the high-efficiency central chiller from Stirling, an innovative solution integrating market-leading technology with a proven design for process cooling. The Stirling high-efficiency central chiller is the most efficient of its kind, significantly reducing energy costs. Users will experience annual energy savings up to 60% compared to traditional cooling systems. Designed for optimal performance in the standard operating range of a central chiller, the Stirling high-efficiency central chiller maximizes your energy savings when operating between 40 to 80% of chiller capacity. Advanced control technology combined with ultra-efficient fan motors delivers optimal high-efficiency control of the chiller. The modular design of the Stirling high-efficiency chiller allows your chilling capacity to increase to meet the needs of your growing business. Expandable up to 600 tons. Easily add chilling capacity by combining up to 10 modules within the same control platform. These expandable chillers allow you to confidently plan for future growth. Expansion is made easy by simply connecting additional units with a standard Ethernet cable. Simple one-touch enablement on the intuitive controller allows for secure connectivity. Engineered redundancy in key mechanical and electrical systems means virtually zero downtime. Each individual chiller module has 2 compressors, sharing the load and increasing longevity. The system is designed with seamless pass-through communication, providing the ability to bypass a unit that is down, while not interrupting the rest of the system. Should a unit go down, the others automatically compensate to maintain the precise set point temperature. If the master chiller is taken offline, the remaining units continue to operate, keeping your process running. Any chiller module can be reassigned as the master unit. When a unit is brought back online, it is automatically and seamlessly integrated back into the system. At the heart of the master module is an intelligent 10-inch color touchscreen that accurately controls and monitors the entire system from one location. Continuous Ethernet communication between all chillers ensures tank temperatures are accurately maintained. The state-of-the-art controller provides visual representation of zone status, individual and total system circuit overviews, built-in alarms, as well as help screens. To facilitate your smart factory environment, over 500 systems operating parameters are available for data logging, graphing, and predictive analysis. Accessible through the touchscreen or remotely on a computer or tablet, the Stirling high-efficiency chiller is smart equipment for your smart factory. With leading energy efficiency, modular flexibility, reduction of downtime, and smarter, more intuitive controls, the Stirling high-efficiency central chiller is on the cutting edge of process cooling, proving once again that Stirling is your leading source for reliable and innovative equipment. For more details, contact your Stirling representative or visit www.stirlco.com.